I want to say, I'm going to bring the crowd up here because this is one of them songs you have to dance to. Now, when I say, get at 'em, I'm going to say, crowd gets rude. You say, get at 'em, go hard. I say, try to take it away from you. Get at 'em, go hard. Let's practice. Crowd gets rude.
Get at 'em, go hard.
Try to take it away from you.
Get at 'em, go hard.
Can't do what you do.
Get at 'em, go hard.
Get at 'em, go hard. Get at 'em, go hard. You got it? Then you can do that?
Yeah.
All right, come on, everybody get up. Get up, get up. I need to hear this. Come on. Yeah, yeah. Come on. Yeah, 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 yeah. Come on, come on, come on. Check it out, Joe. I got this $80 watch with this $80 scotch with a 90 speed to drop. How could you not rock? Got a smooth type of feel with 2,000 to steal. Coming out with us a bill, gotta keep it real. Got a 70s do I wanna twist a folk rock. Fix it so the hip hop, busting out the beatbox. I rub these beats like a fresh pair of cleats. I'm the hottest shit coming out in the streets. Get at 'em, go hard. Jump like a retard, like a training in the fog. I bet you like a frog. Rappers got recall when I come out the mist. Predict our studio. You don't see too many MCs like me too often, like NBA Jam, I'm the nail in the coffin. That's old school, yeah, I play Genesis. When they say, who's this? Remember Sicilian kiss. Kiss me in the head. I'm hurting in like Holiday. Why did you say my name is X-ray? I don't pay no attention. Either way, I got the ADD. I got the name disorder. Like to wreck in my car, play it back on my recorder. She's the third person. Why don't you support her? I'm a threat to this era. I cross my own border. Damn, petite. I feed MCs, lyrics that they need. I think they have a call me Eve. I'm good to go. Just like my flow. Keep it simple like a finger sticking up in the middle. Crowd gets rude. Try to take it away from you. Can't do what you do. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Crowd gets rude. Try to take it away from you. They can't do what you do. I turn beats to hip hop, old folks to beatbox, rock has a big shot. I turn boy bands to my bands, I just do 1,000 gram, pump into a rock band. I turn hippies to hip hop, old folks to beatbox, rock has a big shot. I turn boy bands to my bands, I just do 1,000 gram, pump into a rock band. That's what I do.
I do, like a desperate housewife. Up to my house, see how my house is like. I go hard as the luck of the draw. I paint pictures and stand out like, she's good, she's right in the middle, just might put her on my record, watch her blow up overnight. Cause I'm that chick that's gonna make it happen. I'm Sicilian kiss with a gift. I try to learn it's settling, I run marathons. You want to keep pedaling, I will stay strong. Girls from the East Coast, I'm sitting right now. Get what you say, how you like me now. I send messages while you send a text. I blow you kisses while you give up. This trap's unlocked like a club on a steering wheel. Old school rocker with a twist of the 90s feel. You doing good? Crowd gets rude.
Get at 'em, go hard.
Try to take it away from you.
Get at 'em, go hard.
They can't do what you do.
Get at 'em, go hard.
Come on, come on, come on, come on. I said crowd gets rude.
Get at 'em, go hard.
Try to take it away from you.
Get at 'em, go hard.
They can't do what you do.
Get at 'em, go hard.
Come on, come on, come on. Yeah, I turn hippies to hip hop, old folks to beatbox, rock has the big shot. I turn boy bands to my band. I just do 1,000 gram, over to a rock band. I turn hippies to hip hop, old folks to beatbox, rock has the big shot. I turn boy bands to my band. I just do 1,000 gram, over to a rock band. That's what I do. Yeah, thank you. That's right, Sicilian kiss. Love ya, love ya.
Yeah. On my way. I guess they put me up first. It's a cross between Nicki Minaj and Katy Perry. Nicki Perry. Yeah, Katy Minaj. I really don't know what to say, but I thought it was okay. Thought it was cool. Honestly, I really want to say sometimes you just get, befuddled a little bit. It wasn't bad, it wasn't great, it was kind of like in between. There's some different things you could do. The song really didn't really move me too much. But it wasn't bad though. I think you should do maybe something different when you come back out. Like, I'm looking at you and I'm thinking you're a little more sexier than you portray. And I'm not saying you have to do anything sexually explicit, but something a little more, but if you're gonna do a pop record, do a pop record, because that was like the 90s meet You know, it was like an old Public Enemy track that, you know, that Flavor Flav used to, yeah, right? You feel me? So just kind of like do something different, kind of like update your swag a little bit, come a little more sexier. Your energy was off the map, though.
Yeah.
He was all over the place. My boys Trek from Cleveland in the building, they was digging you. I think they just like white girls, though. And my nephews, I think they like white girls, and that's cool too, because it's all good. It's all good. Ain't that right, fellas? It's all good. Don't matter what color it is, it's all good. And tasty. But you talented, don't mind. Keep doing it. Your energy's off the map. I would just like to see something a little more sexy. That Get Out and Go Hard is more for, you know what I'm saying?
I got you. I got a lot of songs. So.
Nikki Perry, Katie Minaj. Let me get you. Alright? That's what it is. Shout it.
Alright. I almost love it. Like what Dave said, I almost love it. I think, like I said, image-wise, I want to see you come looking like a star. You know, really get the whole picture. The 88 trying to have a conversation with the artist. You know what I'm saying? But I mean, I loved your energy. You related well with the crowd. I like in the beginning where you did the thing with the back and forth with the crowd and got them involved with your record. I like that. But you know what I'm saying? I think the record could be stronger. The track is, I give it a 5 out of a 10 for producing stronger production. So and then bring the energy that you brought with a little stronger record. I think I'm gonna like it.
Hey, thank you.
All right, that's what's up.
Dominique.
Uh-oh.
I do tracks. You know, it's just stuff I'm working with.
All right, we're gonna fire your boy. That track was from 1995, meet 88. I was about to do a kick step on that track right there. Okay? Why in the heck did you do what you did last week? That's the reason why we developed your ass, to bring you to get you better. You don't change the song that basically got you ahead. Never, artists, stop trying to change your song when people like the song, and then you get one song on the radio. Once it starts blasting, you gonna change it? No. Stick with your single, perfect your single, until you get so good, you get signed. Other than that, stick with one song. One song. One song. The words for today is one song. That's the words. We're going to study that all weekend. One song. Not two, not three. No, let me try this. No. Perfect one song. There's some artists out there that only have one song. That's all they've been performing for 25 years is one song. And that gets them paid. One song. Don't ever, unless we go back to 1999 where Prince said, perform that song again. What we're going to do with that track is, as Will said, we're going to throw that out in the ocean. Okay? And we're going to lock it up where Jack Crusoe is the only person that can get that. Alright? Let's do that. Next time we do that, now, don't get me wrong. On my birthday, August 21st, I'm doing an old school birthday. You can sing that, man. That's old school. We're gonna have Ken and Puller, have everybody out here. We're gonna put you on there. You can perform that with Cool Modi. Okay? Alright. That's right. I was walking out of the.
Y'all give it up for Sicilian. Yes!